do a day in the life video, and the goal was to run, but it's raining. Of course, go figure. I'm trying to run in the mornings now, and I woke up early, I look outside, and it's raining. So instead we're gonna do a little bit of weight training. I'm trying to implement that into my workout routine. It's kind of difficult because with the triathlon training, I have to do 2 swims, 2 runs, and 2 bikes a week. So that's already 6 times I'm working out, and I have very limited time. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see where we fit this weight training. The goal is to do at least 3 times a week weight training. And of course today, one of the kids woke up early. They usually never wake up early. But you know, that's just life. So we're gonna drink our water. Put our sneakers on. Stop whatever this little kid is doing right now that they shouldn't be doing. And go weight train.
Since my time is really limited and I really can't go to a gym easily, I have the Sweat app and I pay a yearly subscription for it. I joined it 2 years ago during the Thanksgiving break. It was like half off, and I signed up and it renews at that rate. So I didn't want to cancel it because it's such a good deal. But I'm not going to lie, I don't use it all the time. But since I'm starting to train for this triathlon, I realized that my muscles are so weak. I need to start doing some weights. And they have different programs that you can follow with different trainers. Some of them do require a gym, but there are others that don't. And they also have like a low impact one. This is the one that I use, created by Kelsey Wells. I love her body. Her body is literally goals. So I figured I might as well just start with this. All you need are hand weights. Eventually I will transition into a gym workout program, but to start off, I feel like this is the perfect fit for me.
We got the full body fundamentals workout done. I'm doing the Sweat low impact weight training. I really enjoy that one. All you need is dumbbells. It's not crazy. And it's done by Kelsey Wells. I really like her. Her body is banging. So this is what it is. It's the low impact strength training. And it's for beginners. We're just starting here, so you know, we can't go crazy. So it actually stopped raining. I think I'm gonna go for my run. It's still kind of early. My son doesn't go to school till a little bit later. I'm already warmed up, so I might as well go now. The husband's awake. He can take care of the kiddos for a little bit while I do this run. I gotta do 2.5 miles, I think. Thank you. So, wish me luck. Wow, that was hard. I had to do 2.5 miles running straight, which I did. And then I had to do strides. Basically, they're kind of like sprints, but not really. Those kicked my butt. Now it's time to get the kid ready for school, aka daycare. Yeah. I go sit down.
It won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? I know I surely would. When you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. So come back soon, you are my missing part. I know that you 'cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the spark takes me higher.
All right, lunch was delicious. We did some impromptu little kind of Mexican bowls. They were really good. I used ground turkey too instead of ground beef. I'm trying to reduce my beef intake a little bit, and it was delicious. So now it's time to clean up. The girls are awake officially from a nap time. While I was cooking, they were sleeping. It is 3 o'clock, so this is about the time that I start to clean. And then I sit down and rest a little bit because I've just been go, 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 go from the moment they go to sleep till now. As you can hear, they are just chatting away out there. So let's start cleaning.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah. It's a new day for good times. I just turn the page, let it write what it likes. And ooh, yeah, I feel it now. Every atom in my body feels okay. Yeah. It's a new day for good times. Flying like I'm weightless, yeah, I'm losing all my senses, and it's making it impossible to die.
Done. We look like a human being, you guys. So now I want to try to film some Instagram reels. I haven't filmed reels really ever. Usually I just grab clips that I've been filming like on the weekend, you know what I mean, and like build a reel, but this is gonna be my first time actually doing like a straight up reel. And I'm gonna be doing some book review reels, so I kind of want to look like a human, you know, not look so ratchet, and film these videos. I have some plans of like the types of videos that I want to do for Instagram. Oh my gosh. And I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Like I said, I've never filmed reels, so we might just scrap the whole thing.
Okay, reels are another world, you guys. I completely scrapped this. I kept messing up. It was so hard. I don't know how people do short form content, but I'm going with practice makes perfect.
It is time for dinner. We're gonna use a little bit of leftovers from lunch, and we're gonna make kind of like a crunch wrap quesadilla. I have these. We have some queso, and then some beans, rice, and ground turkey leftover with some mozzarella cheese. You know, that's gonna be dinner with a little bit of avocado on the side. Sounds good to me.
Just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me. I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope. Yeah, yeah. I'll be there. Ooh, I'll be there. And when I'm at home, I got no one to hold. Won't you tell me I'll be there? If my mind is reeling from the stress that I'm feeling, I need you.
I totally forgot to add the beans, so I just popped it open and added them. All right, this completes this video. We are going to clean up this mess in the kitchen because, you know, after dinner we have to do that. But this is all. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.